Hi, I want to talk about human nature and not accept what we have accepted. Are humans herbivores or omnivores? Now, most just assume we're omnivores because we can eat animal products. But are we biologically omnivores or herbivores? I'm not going to tell you one way or the other, but this is my opinion on this subject based on fact. First of all, milk. No other species drinks the bodily fluids of another species beyond infancy. Would you drink dog milk? Your cat's milk? Elephant milk? Kangaroo milk? Horse milk? No, it's freakish. You wouldn't get down on your knees and start sucking from their udder and shove away the baby calf or whatever so you can steal the bodily fluids. You wouldn't stick an arm condom on so you could force breed them and inseminate them so you could drink their bodily fluids. So why is this any different? Because we've accepted something that's unnatural, strange, and cruel, because it contributes to the veal industry, forced breeding, and much more. The egg industry is actually one of the cruelest, though. It's a female birds, period. Caging, debeaking, grinding up the males, pond hatching, many other sick practices that are norms, even of free range or cage free. Warehouse raised still, too. So, here's my next question. As you can see from my shirt, cavemen still eat and wear animals, birdman vegan future. If you saw a pigeon walking by in the street, I live in New York City, lived in Texas too, and many other areas, but you see a pigeon walking down the street. I don't see people ready to pounce on them and say, free meat, eat it raw. Let's just attack them and eat it raw. I challenge you. As the saying goes, put a baby in a crib with a bunny rabbit and an apple. The baby eats the rabbit and plays with the apple. They'll buy you a new car. I'll buy you a new car. No, because they're going to play with the rabbit and eat the apple. They have their teeth yet. Maybe not an apple, maybe an orange or something. But the point is, we don't have the natural desires. No one looks at an animal, their dog, a rabbit, a pigeon on the street, says, that would make a good wing. I wish I could eat that sucker. Just rip it apart and eat it raw with my claws and big teeth. Yeah, most herbivores have a canine, and I'm not impressed with ours. Gorillas, herbivores, huge canine. You know some other herbivores? Elephants, rhinos, kangaroos, horses, some of the strongest animals. So your protein myth kind of doesn't really work. Quinoa is a complete protein with all the amino acids. Many dietitians fully endorse a vegan plant-based diet. Plant-based, I guess people use to say that we eat a little bit out of convenience, a little safer, less stigma. But we have no need today. There's bodybuilders, natural bodybuilders, dietitians fully endorsing it. But you wouldn't use this teeth and attack your dog and try to eat it raw. Or any other animal, pigeon on the street. We have long digestional tracts. That's why we get colon cancer, because meat takes a long time and it rots slowly in our colon. It takes many hours. Carnivores especially have very short ones, so they can push it through and out. Again, none drink bodily fluids from other species' mammary glands. Dairy is one of the strangest, maybe not the cruelest, but the strangest. So look up a factory farm video. There's no need to eat or wear animals today, at least today. And if you wouldn't attack and eat your dog or drink their milk, if they're lactating, don't do it to others. Look up factory farm videos, fur farms, puppy mills. Stop terrorizing other species. But if you wouldn't use these claws and this lame canine and attack and eat an animal raw. Don't pay hitmen to terrorize them in sick factory farms. If you really don't want to give up animal products because you're addicted, go hunting. That's real free range. Stop paying people to do your dirty work. Go hunting. Probably the most humane in most cases. So I hope this helped. Please consider and think about what we've already accepted, because I will not accept it. Thank you. Especially with what we know today and all the bad side effects. Thank you. Please share if you care. Look up a factory farm video.